So in the previous session, we exported the inventory from within Evolution to our computer's hard drive to a CSV file. In this video, we're going to do the opposite. We're going to import. So very similar steps. Go to the main menu, click on the inventory item, and then click on Tools. Again, in the center, we're going to click on CSV file importer as opposed to the exporter in the previous video. This will get us to the upload page where we upload our file. So simply click Browse, select the file from the hard drive, give it a name. Our test import will be fine. If you've previously uploaded the file and you would like to just tick something you're already into, you can either hit upload now with the new file, or you can not upload a new file and you can just tick that box and click next. But we'll go ahead and upload again. So it's quite quick. So there's a few extra steps in the inventory importing as opposed to the exporting. So these steps are selecting the type of import or what you would like to import. And then the second step is matching the columns in your CSV with the columns in the Evolution database. So let's have a look at how that works. So we've got a inventory file here that we exported in the previous video. So we're going to go import new inventory items. And now we have to go and match these columns. So we would select the column name from the drop-down that matches the data. So I can choose here, this is my item ID. I can choose here that this is, well, we don't have status, so we don't need to worry about that. We do have code, so that's fine. I'd also like the description. Let's have a look at that. Yes, we can choose description. We can also choose unit of measure. We can get our cost in. And you can see that as I select my columns, that the selected items are no longer selectable, so that I'm unable to accidentally try and duplicate the same import column twice. So that's pretty much all of the column names that we need to do. We can do the category ID, I would imagine. There's my category ID. And we are there. So once you've done that, there's a number of things that we're attempting to do here. So if we say we're importing new inventory items, it's going to ignore this and insert all of these items as brand new items in our database. If we update the existing inventory items, it's going to try and match the item against either the ID or the code. If we import supply-specific pricing, it's going to bring the items in, not as new inventory items, but as the supplier product codes matched against the codes that they belong to with the supplier's pricing, so that we can choose when we purchase which supplier we'd like to purchase from, and we get that supplier's specific pricing on the purchase order automatically. For this example, let's just update our existing items. I'll select the update. We can see that it's matched the item code. We've got some code matches as well. And we've gone ahead and we've updated. So the system's reporting 0 items updated, even though we have a green report here. That's because there's been no changes made. So all of the data that we've imported perfectly matches the data we've exported. So the import has been successful, and it's reporting that there's no change in the inventory that we've imported.